G'day guys, welcome back to Street Car Culture's YouTube channel. Great to have you guys with me. Before we get into the video you're about to see, you would notice obviously I've scrapped two shells, and one of them being the blue HB. So the blue HB was originally going to be our Pro Street project, but after I stripped it all off camera, we found a lot of issues with it that was quite hidden. So it looked clean on the outside, but it was actually a pretty effed shell to be honest. So we're still going ahead with that project, so don't panic. But obviously, you know, it's just me working out of my backyard or whatever, with not a huge budget. So it can't happen. It doesn't happen overnight, but it will happen. You know what I mean? If it takes a year if the project takes a year to be done, then it takes a year to be done. There's no rush to get this project, to get my cars done. So I just want to touch on that first. But the car behind me is replacing the new body that we're using for the Pro Street build, and I've off camera I've done a lot of work to it, but I will show you all on the next video. For now, when the tow truck arrived to pick up my two shells, he decided that he wanted to stack the shells together, like on top of each other, sort of. I know you can tell by the thumbnail, and I've never seen that done before. So I just filmed the process of that, and yeah, I just wanted to touch on that. So I hope you enjoy the process of seeing how they're done and how they're stacked, and then the next video will be showing you where our Pro Street HB build's at. And then if you're sneaky, you'll see something behind me that is coming to the channel later on. Anyway, enjoy the channel, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, sharing, liking, whatever, and enjoy. I never see this. This is crazy. Working? Yeah. I don't know what he's doing, but I hope he knows what he's doing. Bye guys. I feel like this is some pretty dodgy shit. Crazy. It's all good. No stress.
Oh, no, I don't.
It's okay. You're crazy. going to scrap shit like this.